Hi, it's Dr. Friedman. Let's take a look at our piece. We've been creating a DJ intro, and the point of a DJ intro is to introduce the DJ. So it's kind of like a little commercial, and we want to make sure that all of this audio, everything that is selling the product, the DJ, comes through really, really clearly. You'll see in this piece, I finally, in the end, have something like 20 different tracks. It's amazing because you want to make sure each track that you have, each audio edit that you have has its own track. Now, I might have the same bit of audio. You'll see some sweeps over here. And so I put that on the same track, but it's only the same bit of audio goes on the same track. Here's my name, Freeds. I treated it the same way here and there, or It's Your Girl. I've got that. And anytime I changed anything or added an effect, a plugin, something to the track, I gave it its own track. You want to have multiple tracks. This gives you the freedom to edit or mix your piece properly and appropriately. So I've got a lot going on here. We've got some drums, I've got some chords, right hand, left hand, some basses. We added some color to the bass line. I have a pad going here. I did, in the end, double the left hand from the piano in the pad to add depth to this. We added a sweep up to this point. We're going to call this right here the drop for me, and I've got a nice little boom sound effect going on. Some color in here as the piece goes because we want people to hear what the music is all about. And then we looped to the end to give a definitive ending, and I'll let my piece speak for itself. So let's have a listen. It was a lot of work. There's a lot of work that goes into this. You'll find that there's a lot more work that goes into mixing your piece at the end to get what you want, then probably even recording. This is the audio engineering part. This is the part where you're kind of like the conductor and you put it all together and you get it all balanced how you want. You want to make sure you're not blasting anything here. Nothing gets blasted. Nothing is really, really just spiking out too loud. And you also don't want to just cram up the master volume. You want to get a nice blend, a nice mix. So let's take a listen and a stroll through our piece once through so you can hear my version of my DJ mix. And this is what it sounds like today.
Spinning the hottest beats in the New York tri-state area.
It's your girl,
DJ Freeds.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hip hop.
Fuego, fuego, donde están los bomberos?
oh yeah, boo-boo.
Rocking the hottest beat.
It's your girl.
Freeds. Okay, that's it. I want to make sure everything fades out and I get that going to the end. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to turn this into a track that you can share.